This is a truly small MIG machine, and see, I can pick it up easily. It may weigh 5 pounds, I don't know. This is flux only. You can't run gas through it, and it's 110 volts only. But flux core you can run in the wind, and I don't know how many times I've been out stick welding on things in the pasture where I really wished I had had some flux core and a little welder that would run off my little generator. It comes with a spool of flux core wire. Remember when you relieve the tension, have a better grip on the wire than I did when I let this go. This is 1 millimeter, which equates to 0.39, I think, in regular measurements. So it's thicker than solid core wire. And this machine will only take the small spools, which again isn't really a problem. But like all MIG machines, it has the tensioner, feed the wire in. You can take the rollers out. Setup is the usual. It's a DC machine. These little inverter machines, the fan's always on, so I intentionally had it turned off so you could hear me talk. And another peculiarity, oops, of all inverter machines that I have ever seen is that the switch is in the back. How much that would help be in the front. Turns on, has a bit of a setup. Control amperage over here. You can pick what mode you're in. Remember, these machines, since they're DC, they can also do stick welding, and it comes with a decent rod holder. Like all inverter machines, they all come with a rod holder, and I have welded numerous times off these small machines, ran stick on old rusty metal, and big advantage, these things will run, like I said before, off a small generator. And you have this in the back of your truck, and your little Honda generator, pull it out, go weld a fence post or whatever you got out there, either with stick or with your flux core. I run all my 110 welders on, you see the yellow cord going back there, goes to a dedicated 50 amp. It's a 25-foot extension cord, and it's a 12 3-conductor. Never have any problems. I've run some on longer cords, but remember, you are getting some line loss, power loss on the larger cords, and it's not particularly great on your machine if you're not getting the full 110 volts. But this is a decent little welder, and you know, especially if you were just needing to fix things out in the yard, it will do a good job. I started to say it would be a good starter welder, but truthfully, you know, if you're indoors, you're going to be running with gas. But you know, so the gas machines cost a little bit more. Then you got to buy a gas bottle, and gas bottles are expensive these days, and gas is expensive. MIG mix is not cheap. Carbon dioxide is scarce, so this makes a excellent alternative to solid core gas MIG. And if you practice just a little bit, you can weld pretty nicely with these. So anyway, I don't think that you can go wrong with this. Cheers.